Hello everyone. In this lecture, we are just going to discuss about the pin layout and port structure of Arduino development board. And we know that the microcontroller that is available on our Arduino development board is ATMEGA328, which is a 28-pin AVR microcontroller. And the first pin is the reset pin of the microcontroller, and this pin, when it is pulled low, this pin will automatically restart the program of our microcontroller from the beginning. And the seventh pin is the VCC of our microcontroller, through which we must provide a power supply of 3.3 to 5.5 volt. And pin 20 is nothing but the analog VCC, that is AVCC. This is used as an power supply pin for the analog to digital converter module of our microcontroller. And pin 8 and pin 22nd are the ground pins through which we must provide a ground to the microcontroller. And pin 21 is the analog reference pin, and which is used as a reference voltage for converting analog signals into digital signals using the ADC module of our microcontroller. And pin 9 and pin 10 are the crystal oscillator pins through which we can provide a clock frequency to the microcontroller using external crystal oscillator. The maximum clock that we can provide to this microcontroller is 20 MHz. And nextly, we are just going to see the port structure of this microcontroller. And the first port is port B. And this port has totally 8 pins starting from PB0 to PB7. And as I said, we are just going to use PB6 and PB7 in our microcontroller for connecting external crystal oscillator in our Arduino development board. So we are totally having 6 pins in this port, that is PB0 to PB5, and the pin number starting from 14 to 19. And the next port is port C. This port has totally 7 pins starting from PC0 to PC6, and this PC6 is meant for reset purpose, and that is why this port has totally 6 pins, that is PC0 to PC5, and the pin number starting from 23 to 28. And the third port is port D, and this port has totally 8 pins starting from PD0 to PD7, and the pin numbers are from pin 2 to pin 6 and then from pin 11 to pin 13. You can see these are the pin layout and port structure of this microcontroller, and this microcontroller has totally 3 ports, port B, port C and port D. And in this course we are just going to program this Arduino board using register level programming, right? For that we will be using only these pinouts, and physically in your Arduino board you will be seeing these pinouts highlighted in red, and these pinouts that are highlighted in red will be useful for us while we are building the hardware circuit for demonstration. But while programming we will be using only these pinouts and port structure of this microcontroller. So please kindly note this for your future reference in this course. And now I hope you are clear with the pin layout and port structure of the microcontroller ATMEGA328 available on your Arduino development board. See you in the next lecture. Thanks for watching.